MeghalayaPost.news
Menteri Rungba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma ulapan benar manadu Bniah jemang ke Sorkar kan sedang ia ke Wad Bniah research program Iaka Thymmei ke tunrai sedang jong kejat Bunriu Khasi Jaintia Wad Garo ke Sorkar kelah tahu artili komiti kata kawai ke komiti benti tunrai kejat Bunriu Khasi Jaintia bat kawai ke komiti na ke bentar kejat Bunriu Garo ha ke bagini ke komiti Wad Bniah Iaka Thymmei tunrai jong kejat Bunriu Riulum jong kejela Meghalaya kawai na kejing bishar badon kamtam kalong kejing kemi Bniah halor ki artili komiti ki bapet Iaka Thymmei roots jong kejat Bunriu Khasi Jaintia bat ki jait Bunriu Garo bat kani kan kentup ia kadin mapping kajing Wad Bniah ia katli linguistics bat kiriti ki dustur ukonrat ulong baka kamram jong ki komiti kadai ban lum ya ki jing shisha bat ki saki ki baklempat shamlatho nebu jing kan show documentation menshua.
So very important meeting is as you're aware that we have put up two committees specifically to look into the Khasi Jaintia and one committee to look into the roots of the Garo tribe. So therefore one committee that look into the roots of the Khasi and Jaintia the tribes, and one that look into the roots of the Garo tribe and do a detailed research including DNA mapping, including different linguistic linkages, cultural linkages, and connect with different researchers to document different aspects of both the Khasi Jaintia tribes and the background and also for the Garo community. And we're doing this because, as I said, we would like to see that more documentation, more research and more facts are available so that all these documentations which had not been done in the past can be done. So this was again discussed today. We'll be formally launching this particular research program in the month of May, but we did a preliminary study. In fact, the team has started working from February itself, and we will further take this research, which would in fact entail discussions with different institutes at national level, even at international level, and go into the in-depth analysis of the roots of our different tribes in the state. It will be anything between 18 months to 24 months because it's a very detailed study. But obviously, as we go along, the reports will keep coming out.
MeghalayaPost.news